So this is my Evo 10, and today we're going to be doing some POV driving and finding out exactly just how fast this thing is. This is actually a base model Lancer. In case you didn't see my mods list video, this car is tuned at 25 PSI for 330 wheel horsepower. And it's a lot of fun. Hopefully the traffic stays out of my way and we can get some good quality POV shots. Well, not really POV, just driving shots. I'm gonna try to like duct tape this camera to like get the speedometer and the tach, but I don't know how well that's gonna work, but we'll do our best. Actually, what do you guys wanna see more, like the tach and speedo or the gauges? I'm not. Got all the quality parts for a ghetto YouTube video. We got the car, we got camera 1, and we got camera 2. Oh yeah. And you can't even see them very well because they're flashing at the frame rate of the camera. No matter if I put it at 30 FPS or 60 FPS, they just still flash. I don't have a good camera, okay? Like and subscribe. And maybe we'll talk about getting another camera. So I'll slap this one up here so we can get some kind of dash cam footage going on. And then I'll put something here maybe, I don't know, we'll see what happens.